Right, Okoman 97.1 and then enter 28th of April 2023. Fiada, yes, thank God it's Friday. Okoman Global Sports and Opensia Tenasia. Emun Comunina, Yansono Yeri, bro, Ewo Jumedie no so and then somehow do any about Shem Yansono, Ewo Fia, Edify, a good year no, say boxing, athletics, and offense on the football. No, Yatanase, na Yedimo and Como, Yebe Common and na Amanansem. And so yeah, but if it's some the Ghana Premier League bet power Premier League, midweek actions. Echo so shall say and who quarter and Rayada matches echo so surprises, to me a Bermuda so shocking results. And so a buyer, Ninyanum, get better jump, and so the amount of Jumedi no 20 time kuchu. That's for so T Okuma 97.1. Num say the basics inter-school sports competition no koso we piemu and so our year Akuapem ha ititi ne Akropong the basic schools inter and as a basic inter-school sports competition koso and you be corner the report hold on e dey few dey about e shall say na no brada no Tuesday no ya memene da no and I say ukwada na koso ya wada koso and then so mpanyifo ba ko gu ntie be ko na fin so ya ko share report na there Eddie Fru and so no etimi Eddie about volleyball activities across football. I was say you talent. Yes, you were Akropong intino yebeko na fin so report hold on ye de few me anka some sorry so am de mani ba ko di achirim na fin so ya hwe jene ne man so no eko ere fan koma hold on na ne yebedi and so no fia adwo e wonam e wa Akrobia Sante the writer commentator omunyina bo mechidom Samson executive producer era Kofi Anton Bafo na Kofi Okoroajeman Ziggy Donzi almost a bomb chira fiso pa solo paradise enyina kanwa dwumade no so no yetumi ede pa midin Kelvin Amponsah Addi ofrem ekin so na yesa meje so na bibia enso no atumi ai kama enso no atumi ede amount dwumade so star 787 yes star 787 on my time ekremu sanso na kwai Sibia Hotel Kwai Sibia Hotel and pay Ekwemwa Yansu de Jumediano and Sonum Ebrel and Sono Elfia. And I don't pay my minchia, mommy's joint. Yes, minchia, mommy's joint. Abraham, I don't pay minchia, papa, mommy's joint. I don't pay minchia, me did say, Bibia, I boko. Sansona minchia, the blue man, Mr. Blue. Also, I don't pay UTA show. No, only Makuffa, more Makuffa health insurance. Nimhonma, on Udini Juma. I don't pay Muti, Mamincha, Manglo, yes, Mangloria. One in town, Unsono Micha, Akosia. And sound so no Akusia no pay Michel near my phone in a minsono bicha papa and I no pay you be corner man and some no yes so yet me dia buy a bar na say e fie dia kanyina no so no ato so area mantaman and some no me corner fin so me de nyina area bremo
el chicharito ahí la tiene Torrado la juega por abajo el arquero sale la tiene Gio no hay arquero quién le pega Gio en la garganta mientras se maten a goles. Golazo. Aso.
Mira Caleri para el gol. Palacio se la da y Caleri se va para el gol o Tevez. Caleri o Tevez. Tevez no. Caleri. Cantalo. Y de Ramona. Sí, Diego de Ramona. ¡Gol!
Right into young ram nothing summon and some no and I'll pay young funny and Fengo and Fama make us a star 787 us. Omukray one and upon Siatana and for you rum. Nothing said in common and so they bro and so no fear straight away. Best I said every top flight major European leagues no on send down matches 8 to me cost one and outstanding matches are and no done so to me cost why you rum nothing so moon common Janson yet to media pa young coach Spain the Spanish La Liga and no 3 matches and so to me cost so Valencia etna for Mesta et match Real Valladolid upon academy no Emma Valladolid Bobo Kono and so etimati mo pa kwa mo komo nyina and also yere pa Sansora Bobo Kono dia de Villarreal and so etna for Yellow Submarines esekano makuma kwa 9 aba Espanyol and so no etimu mienu Abranten ni Etienne Capu abo gosi ni mienu Sansora Dani Parejo and afenso Nicholas Jackson so yere pa ko episode ma Villarreal Bobo Kono na Bilbao and so Fiel San Mames, Emma Seville, Bobo Kono, Abetino Bonacabaqua, Athletic Club Bilbao, and so and to me anti Abranten Lee, and so Lucas Ocampos, 92nd minute, and a boss I win and so ma, yes, Seville, Bobo Kono, Muncomunam, and also Yeria Banenra, the English Premiership, Ponosono matches, no, Makoma and Sam, to me a cost, so Everton, at NFL, Goodison Park, I am Jahai, Emma informed team, Newcastle United, that's the Newcastle, last 2 matches no ometimi ase 10 goals and so now hotie Newcastle akwati Everton Bobo Kono and so boneka no por 9 Emma Everton so na team ba kwa Brante Calmote na 2 goals Sansona Murphy and Afenso no Jolinton edeba kwa piso and so ma Newcastle and no dan kunimde ekọ edema mo St Mary's Park no na Southampton Bobo Kono setna fie ayatwa high Emma Bournemouth so no betene boneka ba ko onon so no antimi antena Afenso no team the big game neto jam I will Tottenham Hotspur Sports Stadium. Now say Tottenham team no and Tottenham fear to inside from Manchester United Bobo Amade Bosso. That's after 90 minutes no will be at to me the Achen Yonkwe come yenu 2-2 and a some match no so eko ye Abrante Jadon Sancho 70 minutes now a ball opening goal Ariama Man United Marcus was for 44 minutes no so no etmanya second goal Ariama Manchester na say na komushani sanka go simienu abai and can kunimdi ekom Ariama Manchester United na so na 56 minutes no ana Abrante ni ede Pedro Porro ate kano ba kom Ariama Tottenham ana fe Abrante ni Anton Song women no 79 minutes no and so nya equalizer na match na ko wie 2-2 and so na Tottenham mun komo nyina and so ni yatimi ade bro and so na tumadi no so na league table na the English Premiership no Senator Arsenal wa bata the 3 matches equal 75 points. Samsung Manchester City tosumi no wa bata the 1 matches equal 73 points. Newcastle abetosumi and wa bata the 2 matches equal 62 points. The Red Devils Man United in Sotosu na wa bata 31 matches equal 60 points. Tottenham tosu enum equal 30 and about 33 matches equal 54 points. Aston Villa tosu ensiam wa bata 33 equal 54 na fenso so no you never walk alone. Liverpool Bobo Kono and also no about 32 matches equal 53 points and watch Brighton about 30 matches equal 49 points and afenso no Bobo Kono at Brentford tosu enkro about 33 matches equal 47 points. Fulham atosu do 32 matches equal 45 points afenso no eduba kotie eduba ko our the English Premiership no mo and tonight the Blues Chelsea tosu eduba ko after I'm about 32 matches, equal 39 points. Chelsea 32 matches, equal 39 points. Samsung Crystal Palace Dumianum about 33 matches, equal 37 points. Wolves Dumian 33, about 30 equal 37 points. Now so Bournemouth at also 14 position on about 33 matches, equal 36 points. West Ham Tosu Dunum 15 position, about 32 matches, equal 34 points. Leeds United 16 position, about 33 matches, equal 30 points. 33 matches, 30 points, 17 position. Andre Rami Morgan, the die unit team, Nottingham Forest. I'm about 33 matches, equal 30 points. Leicester City, Afibius and Liamankoye, and Fama Leicester Bobo Kono. I'm about so 18 position. I'm about 33 matches, equal 29 points. 19 position. Everton, Suniamankoye. I'm about so 19 position, about 33 matches, equal 28 points. Now, the Saints, Southampton, Tosu 20th position, about 33 matches ekura 24 points emu komo nyina ano so yere pa anya senkuma na cooking chat ntie apprentice ni yere Ellen Bon Haaland or Man City okura 33 goals ekura 7 assists tie Haaland wo 30 matches ekura 33 goals enso na ho Harry Kane wo Tottenham onu kura 24 goals sanso na apprentice ni Ivor Toney enso Brentford okura 19 goals Mohamed Salah Gali was Liverpool okura 16 goals na fenso no Marcus Rashford on Manchester United on also ekura 16 goals and so said matches ni bi because Europa and also have fixtures na for the French League and a big game back to Jordan na say Strasbourg team no so etinafie 7 p.m. na fenso ni Lyon so etimabo so say big game and also to German Bundesliga so another game to any Bochum etinafie 6:30 no so ani Borussia Dortmund enso timabo bobo kwani enso no na Udinese abekwa we the Italian Serie A ni mu no so 4:30 ani Lecce bo Spezia ani Monza enso na bo 6:45 na fenso call La Liga another game na koso ni ada se weekend national any Osasuna 7 p.m. enso ni Real Sociedad baba emu komo nyina anonso ni ba CAF Champions League anatie CAF Champions League no big game ba kubeto jane aya wider Casablanca ana fensono aye Simba of Tanzania ana mswadi airport nation so say 7 p.m. Ghana time ana start big game no sono toja the CAF Champions League Almusun komo nyina yansun yade abraw jumadi no so na yenkone afenso yenton sama yetwaku enso na wa Amanfo football clubs ni mu ukopiamo on Italy dia na Napoli bobo kono and Napoli for den some dia toja say ne no amusha nim say na wotwe wie ya wambetu benya kunumdie enso na ho na afenso no the Italian Scudetto no amuso tumaje edi esuem na so sansa over 30 years no Napoli entmanji Scudetto no enfenso am stress no amusha nim say this season no bobo kwani dia Napoli so no betumaje the Italian Scudetto no enso dia sin na so mu komo nyina yanso yade ba na Barca tie Barca fuakasa amose afin tie press conferences and as press conference and run Barca to me a press conference club no team ton and as 1.4 billion euros and so the free Barca financial project mu tie bobo kwana se jume kwa ni aspire Barca no Barca television say Barca television no atime secure mo 1.4 billion euros solo edema bobo kona amunsun komo no yare yema sa mu kirema in the history of Barca no sa sikai entumi mpiemu emfanfa ya Barca TV da internet Barca bobo kona kirema in the history of the club no and Aspire TV Barca television amunsun atime secure anaso matumanya 1.4 billion euros solo edema bobo kona mun komo solo yare yapa na Tottenham coach interim manager Ryan Mason wakasa osuna da ucha boy koso edema Tottenham against Manchester United ojidi say Tottenham sa anwofama na omde baye game no na second half no osusu so koso put out sa performance na on Ryan Mason no ojidi say Tottenham so betima fa no tuma pa enso to the from season mo anane sama interim manager edema Tottenham Ryan Mason so no letumi area toja yare ma tie for na Real Madrid for kasa almost say omone Abrante ni de Jude Bellingham of Borussia Dortmund no omacha say ni edin komo almost say be na watch dey ni mu metumi na Brantony agent akosia edin komacho sa Brantony baje pin na afenso no next summer no Abrante Jude Bellingham so no beba na afenso abesi akan enso de ma Real Madrid bobo kono anonso ne nsama retotwa anonso mu komo nyina no yade ya ma enso na wotwumade no so yankwa na afenso no yankwa Chelsea komo yemfa komo no bi emfa free Chelsea bobo kono mo enso na emfa ma de komo free Chelsea abanom echirema coach and team and so the Frank James Lampard no unusa papa ye fane say interim manager on my boy Juma from Chelsea till end of the season now papa ne buy it here we about 5 league matches English Premiership no go buy no we about 5 matches point at the point Frank Lampard enya bia 5 matches awabo and match Chelsea with English Premiership no mo papa na tumi lusu ni nyina mu common so no yare bana Chelsea fans na dwa amo ka che Todd Bowley se papa yi Ukophobia ba be ya adwuma de ama Chelsea a esene ma nkoye yenkofo obi mra Graham Potter nko no obi mra me ya adwuma na Chelsea nso ne ntumi nko nani ma se papa na Akuffo Frank Lampard nti fans na dwa uche club ya santemo omo dwa writer commentator mo omo dwa se ne no Frank Lampard entumi mu adwuma mfa ma Chelsea bobo ko no internet supporters so that to be at the money Todd Bowley and so ha emu come so yari banana da UEFA Women's Championship no and as a Champions League no etime to twa awoye amanane na tie Chelsea onum so ne Barca na de point our semi-finals and first leg no tie Barca mano akochi Chelsea mano ebo mekaba kwa Chelsea mano etime atenra second leg na to twa Stadio de Camp Nou na tie Barca mano atena ho enso ne Chelsea tumi bo 1-1 ho na se Barca mano ene omo tumi qualify enso de come any more grand finale no tie Barca mano tumi qualify no adam ahead of Chelsea na se Chelsea mani meme nyina nyama mfa fi emfa ma Chelsea bobo kono eno adam mo tena ho draw ye ene omo fimu 2-1 on aggregate Barca mano so no etumi qualify na eno ada ukopem Camp Nou 76,000 spectators and so to me kwacha Barca and Chelsea man Champions League no emu komo nyina anu so yare ba yare to jam so dey my tie for na Arsenal for muntie AC Milan for so mo ne mo ba be din komo makoda we so ani din and so na dey Reece Nelson kurano 23 years and wadi wa Arsenal pobo kono AC Milan for say omunya brante na ombeto no na face wa ba be si akan e dey ma Milan pobo kono mu komo so no yare pa yare to jam anya sem komo na Paris Saint-Germain for kasa omo sa brante ni and so na dey Victor Osimhen of Napoli no omo susu sa brante ni ba PSG pobo kona nyama be kai area ma PSG na fe so no Brante Victor Osimhen intene PSG for nsam de atudwa sa Brante Victor Osimhen no omo kwa kwacha se ne ometumi atabi da Brante no area be piemu nso France na fe so no Parc de Prince no Brante ni din nso na Victor Osimhen so aba be sia kan so na de ma poboko no ano so ne koma ba na Liverpool for muntie mene mete ho de ama se makoda ni din ade Luis Diaz no Barca for say Abrantia no omunya omu penalty Barca for so omunya omu pa Abrantia no Abrantia ni din enso de Fabrizio Diaz no Barca for so omunya Abrantia na omu so omu penalty na no Liverpool for omunya careful say ni Barca for so letumi akora no reach agreement Abrantia Fabrizio Diaz no Barca for so omunya na omu peno enso Liverpool bobo kono so akora tie we so akora 19 years ana Abrantia no enso atuma dia emu komunya yare bana Chelsea for no muntie Abrantia Joao Felix sa onyamo player dia mo ya we sa Abrantia ni nyamo player na at the end of the season Abrantia no so sign returning to Atletico Madrid na fe so wakosi akan e dia mo na Chelsea for kasa sa ancha na Abrantia mo tuma confirm deal no enso dia ma Chelsea betuma pass Abrantia ni dia Joao Felix no o betuma ye deal ne permanent enso na Chelsea bobo kodimo esansa kora ne bai no modembo akonkan e dia ma Chelsea o sha assist ma chances creating no Abrantia na create e dia ma Chelsea bobo ko ni Chelsea for kasa say Abrantia ni dia Joao Felix no ancha na ne deal no o betuma ye ne permanent enso no e dia ma kora na Chelsea bobo kodimo mun come so no ye dia bana Thomas Tuchel wakasa otine ninye e Bayern bobo kono esanso by Champions League Bayern frimo German Cup no and so Bayern frimo o che German Bundesliga no so Bayern free first abada second ninyina yo no bra obedu ye Bayern bobo kono niama nchera nkoye etama Thomas Tuchel wakasa otine ni nchera nje niama ekoso e bobo kono che players ni bi attitude or training grounds o so enkonkan entwani so your player na baba training grounds na say money nchera nkonkan no Thomas Tuchel wakasa o say na ni nchera nyo Bayern players ni bi attitude e training grounds ntiam fan tuchwa informate for net info so no ehu na tie Max Allegri o head coach Anima Juve onim say no wa free mu our the Coppa Italia ni mo and Inter esho mo kopie mo grand finale na Max Allegri akasa o say eye ne ya say no Juventus so na fi o manti wanje cup bia so na mbom no o dane na ho odi nya kopie mo Europa League mo say na be ya no Juventus so no o betumi ngaje cup fi and so no ha omu komo nyina yare bana Manchester United for akasa say no Amo titisa Bayern for Esite Mantua Tata Brenton near Casemiro tie Man force Sanya Mane Kosono Thomas Tushasha se or say Thomas Tusha Tita Mantua Anonia Brenton in answer Casemiro Edin Comasa he Manu and Jara Nyade tie Fimanu Nabe Pimo Bayern it stands a Bayern Oba Champions League games no Ubenye Biabo Anye Ukraine semi-finals they between two Bayern Ghana Bayern for the two say they no so muso aja tumsa ane Amonia Brenton Komo intene man for munya careful my brand say nemudi Twumhene say ne no engine in your midfield no Bayern 40 Tamantua say ancha next summer no a brand say Casemiro no amukwa Akuffo no so be piemu Germany no be see kan so na Bayern poboko no ano so nsama ba yeri tuja anso na dia ma yetiefo na uko piemu Watford akoda bia piemu ho didini João Pedro onimbo ne bo João Pedro onimbo bo na brand Brazil international anasa Brazilian na Brighton for their tuja sa brand João Pedro of Watford no a brand ne de command the omni na wie the agent omni na wie akasa brand ne pen ebesi paper so na fin next summer no akoda ni de João Pedro ono so be piemu Brighton poboko no no so be si akan enso no atumi dia mo ene nkoma ba yeri tuja enso de ma etiefo na yeri sinema mi kopiemu enso na Barca bo ko na Barca fo akasa se mrantie mako anan enso na next summer on be jom kwantie omo se players mako anan on be jom kwan next summer na Barca poboko ni tie abrante ni de odi apa Jody Alba no abrante ni Barca fo se on be chade kwan poboko no mo sanso na abrante ni de enso no Eric Garcia likely some be channel kwa Barca poboko no abrante Ansumani Fati yes Ansu Fati Barca say I likely say abrante ni Ansu Fati no say offer bi bam na to asum na sumboa abrante Ansu Fati no onto me jam no amana kwa na fenso no Rafinha yes I likely say Rafinha so no next summer no Barca for so be channel Ansu no Barca poboko no mo and so no come every Barcelona poboko no pa yansu ye dia to jam so dey mighty for man and 7 die aya na dosu de mum ne set ne fata se wote no ene na no pa na so maje pania be de nyina enso ya pro dwumadie no enso no so kankasi star 787 us star 787 us ana fiso kwa sibi hotel ene so ma sei mamede amana ne nsam no enso no etumi abaye edin ne Kelvin Amponsah Addi ofrem ekin so a beche oso ye twa en umra e ba ifisam ebeto aso.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. The day ration more. I say a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. The day ration more. Since the days of Baba Yara, we've been there, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abetasaki, we've been there, we've been there. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Asamoah John, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Ishmael Ado, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. So this is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Emmanuel Clote, we've been.
All right, into the Ghana Premier League mun komo yembedia na ayenso ye hu ne ekọ and so any nearby internet join live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 YouTube and so Okoman Radio 97.1 okwa and so no ubenya dwumadi no and so ahwe wo ho na o subscribe na wabeka ye ho sauti ase o subscribe na wabeka ye ho na monitor dwumadi no so kama and so no edit to me edit free wo enti say na meka ye no Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook. Yes, okwa ubenya dwumadi no and so ahwe edit free wo YouTube so no Okoman Radio 97.1 on YouTube and so ko nga follow dwumadi no and so ona bibibia and so no enye kama and so no emfa emao yambra fie na yemedi mfie komo yemfa updates kakra wo fie emfa bro Ghana Premier League mun komo no yemfa bra eba na say komo twetwe no and so tuma hyase and so no ewa ha okay I mean yen say na emfa mfiro emfa mransa na yengu se bibia edidem okay at Ghana Premier League results no onu se weekend and midweek na actions no ejinigirim pa na se enya asem kuma actions e course no na ano odin papa na results no say ana sifa ekoye Facebook for no zigidi beto so amamo na ma midweek actions no ukwada no Tamale City 4 Hearts of Oak 1 Lagos Cities 2 Accra Lions 0 Brekum Chelsea 2 Kotoko Royals 1 Ken Faisal 0 Bechem United 0 Samatex 2 Ensuachaman 0 Ariana Stars 2 Go Stars 0 Sansona Mediama 3 Dreams FC 2 anom eye wukwada eno ada matches etojo anom enso enie Real Tamale United RTU etena fie ama Karela Kobone Kabako wentumi ante Sansona Great Olympics 2 Asante Kotoko 0 Olympics 2 Asante Kotoko 0 and also no Ghana Premier League in Koma and also no yetumi area bro and so no Jumedi ni sunti Facebook for no obo say zigidi atoso amam kama results ni nyinam and so no ewo ha yedi mu komo and so no ba yentwa reaction time midweek no and also etimi akọ so and so no ho ni yemfa tudwa and so no emfama coaches no etumi kasaye after matches and also etumi akọ so yenshase emfemfi enanu uko matches and also etumi akọ so no and so no enie ti na also no esano so at the farmer me say Bobo Kwani dim and so the Brekum Chelsea onum say onyam kurumdie over aye Bobo Kwani dim and so no ade Bobo Kwani dim Kotoko Royals yes now after the game no coach and dim and so the and as a player and dim and so the Emmanuel Sapon onom etumi akasaye and so no e game no mo yenti nsama and Emmanuel Sapon and also Brekum Chelsea player Ekasaye after the game.
The first, and can you position plan for still na say that first, and you know still na you push hard so the way bit me about you top for but you may trimonye de because I work extra hard as the way at the end of the season and catch it bit me go for the ultimate top 4 na aim. Say still now we are pushing harder to get there.
When you are Branson in Eddie Manuel Sapon on your Brekum Chelsea player on also no etumi Eddie 2 draw na oye na ebisa say victory no a course against Kotoko Royals no wo Emmanuel Sapon of anything.
I mean cause under it it's part of football sometimes ubenya say the inyana for first half sometimes ubenya is sweet but guys now abaso abuye na abaso because ya jumaden usha first half on say the coach can na you find it difficult but second half nearby it was amazing it's a sweet victory so na come
and then in summer Emmanuel Sapon edit to just a victory no it was a sweet victory edema Brekum Chelsea Poboko no na ni coach Christopher Enin and also to make asaya after say no omochi Kotoko Royals upon a come Abonsono Omantumi anti coach Chris Enin in Samsono Enie.
I'm not surprised that the game goes like this because in the first game, by then they were having I think 4 points or 1 point and they win at Cape Coast. So coming back here, I know definitely their worst is to get a draw away. So I really spoke to the players from the grounds, even the team talk, because I know, and it's something that was happening to me, because they have nothing to lose. We are trying to compete, but for them, they've agreed that they are going. So fighting with somebody that doesn't have any intention of competing always become tough. You can even watch the Premier Leagues. The team that are on bottom always respect the team that can win. So I'm not surprised, but all the same, I thank the boys for the performance today, at least to get 3 points.
And then in summer, coach Christopher Enin, Brekum Chelsea head coach, added to jam after the match. Mochi Kotokuras, a bomb come in. Omen to my coach, I will play and Brekum Chelsea performance. Also, no, over describe anything.
With us, and this is our sickness. We always get early chances that we miss and then we come back struggling. So, but for me, I was not panicking at all at the bench because I know we would really come back. Because I saw the boys, the angry in their eyes, the way they themselves were talking. You see, in the second half, you never see me like this before. I was in the middle with them, trying to ginger them, motivate them to come back. So, if we would have got the early goals, I think we would have buried them like 4 or 5. Yeah.
Okay, coach, John Anumsa. Now, coach, I'm just second half from we changes been here, dear team no more. Angasa, just I know Kaumina, Ebuawana, also changes no Ekoye.
It's something that you need to, because I brought in 2 players. One of my players in the national team, so I was forced to bring a player who has not played for a while. That's Akropong. So quickly I have to bring a centre back to play the right back, and I assigned him to lock himself. And Sapon also did not start in our last game. So
and then the coach, Chris, I am Enin, Onosone Sama, Otumi Aditu Jam after the game against Kotokurasa. Emun Komonyana, and also Yatumi Ediatu Jam, and Sono Ediama Yeti4, Etino, Ayana Shannon, so, and Sono Etumi Ediama. Coach Edema, Kotokuras, coach Ebiafo, answer Kasai after the game at the farm, performance, and also no, etimi Ekoso against Brekum Chelsea. Coach Ebiafo, Yebisan, game against Brekum Chelsea, no, also one is saying.
We came strongly to win and survive. And football. When you lose, we played so well, we lost. And just as I've said, it's a hard defeat. And it's a worry to me as well. But can do about it. We look forward for the rest of the matches ahead of us, and that is what we are going to prepare. It's over. Once it's over now, there is nothing I can say to change the outcome, but to move forward and prepare for the next game.
And then in summer, coach Ebiafo, I know Ensono, head coach Ensono, Adama, Odan Kotukurias, Editu Jafta, say Amosono, Etumi, and Brekum Chelsea, Ensono, Etumi, and the boy near Mukomunina, and also Yadia Panam, coach Vianom, and Yebisan said, o performance against Brekum Chelsea and Gaza. Oh no, ube describing it. Boy, it's a performance, no. And so no, who coach Ebiafo, who describing it saying?
They came in strongly. They played so well in the second half. We dominated and played almost the first 45 minutes. And in the second half, they took charge. They came in strongly and they equalized the goal and had a last-minute goal. It's a disappointing result, but then what can I do? It's already happened. There is nothing I can do about it.
Oh, coach, Asama Mobo, I say, never home, but Onichi Obekam, I found. But coach, Kabibi Kakra, Kotokura house, relegation, no, Wako, and I say, nee, Monko.
Last game, before I'll be able to admit. So for now that we still have 6 matches ahead of us to play, I will just conclude. So it has been game by game. Yeah, so once this is over, we are looking forward as we are going to prepare and then face the next match.
Coach Amam ho. Oh, Ziggy. Oda Kotokura. Yeah, coach say, Ankechi, Bible na nyame obi na born nyum. Ankechi mami de bi arada. Na Kotoku edie. Akechi kra. Na Ziggy. Our brand saying and so Eddie Collins Coffee. On here, a year Kotokuras player. And if he say, Collins say, Money Brekum Chelsea game no. Saying.
Jadi kami dia sedang bermain jadi Akropong-Akuapem. not sure why that's what he has to say. Our game now, your boy then because your boy game in actually I hope so. It's very painful, seriously. So now maybe I can say next time you better go your homework and next time you fight hard.
Oh, Collins Kofi so Marco homework ye na next time I'm fighting hard. Now Collins, well about to me position am day. Mona moye our league table no so. Position no e fata kotuku where asana.
Jedi kamedi aseda be man chedi Akropong-Akuapem na share. It put too pressure man because you fight say a free relegation zone. And I person once I in real league in the ultimate judging can say a free until say about last match navy.
And then in summer Collins Kofi on your player Edema Kotukura house and so etimi editu job yanso yedi ama yetie for yanko na afenso no yanko piemu enso no ewon sem fufuro mu na afenso yan fan sam no bi enfemfiri ho enso na mfa ma dia anenom ukopiemu enu ada enso no anase yes enu yawada ukwada no match second so Bechem United eche ato folk enso no etimi anase Tamale City che ato folk omo na emo no Bechem United enso no etumi konyam win enso no ewo ho na ne o ma branch ni din de Hafiz Konkoni ade ben say Hafiz say sani afi ubo goals yi Ghana Premier League no o top scorer chart here ona oda soro wa se 13 goals Hafiz unya kotoko anase hasa obebo
Ghana your two big clubs kotoko ene so pia dia obo Ghana Premier League obo we say obo ka go end of the class so me so me kotoko ene ha dia me na ko bomo why not problem dia ni. Wow, so I'm a big class ever. So one of the biggest class in the country there. Yeah. So I want to the chance to look out for Boma Media. Why not Noko problem there?
Okay, Hafiz so no onya has ne kotoko wa ko problem here nim wa beba na de krata beba na emuda na ekọ nkan no o wa bebo e de na Hafiz apart from has ne kotoko no clubs who Ghana ha omo chesi
Yes, I because the focus in United and depending on the United at this time. So after the season, I need to match it, therefore, and main court. So after the season, I need to match the idea. The focus in United meeting.
And then some Hafiz Konkoni, editor Jachirema, I know I say apart from House and Kotokono, club will be anywhere, almost no HSino, South Asia, Intino, clubs no Olimo. Brekum Chelsea mo monto majumo Hafiz Konkoni say moba onya time kran fama mo ono ne dadwen nyina ne say obaji goal king na ida say wakwa amanane anase has ne kotoko enso no etimi aba na mo beto no yenko koroko akachi coach Ado Ghazali ono ne ginam sem head coach Adama koroko bobo kon eno ada against Olidade Olimasi Olin Konson Oli Juluju Oli Sabiwa Oli Okoman Oli Rosalinda Oli Adwa TV Oli Olympics enra omoche kotoko ebo mekam yenu akotoko enso no entimi ante na Ghazali kotoko coach enso den sem kakra edijan after say omonso no elusu here against Great Olympics.
We came here to keep our winning record straight, but unfortunately we couldn't get it right in the first 10-15 minutes. Our players didn't do well in the first 10-15 minutes. We considered an early goal around 8 minutes, which I think it was avoidable. A second goal came as soon as we lost. We went in to attack for a corner kick. It's very disappointing to see a play team like this who need to push up. Anytime we think that we are coming on top, something happened. In fact, this one I was very disappointed in the first half the way we played. Because if we were to play the way we played in the second half, it wouldn't be the same results that we just ended the game with. So I think we have to go back, keep on working to see how best we'll end the league.
And then in summer, Abdul Ghazali asante kodoko coach editu jwa engineer uba na ese emfoni twitwa nkwa ana ba betenata na matwitwa mfoni na birthday wadi awia na ese aha na ba be ya wadi Mary asubete enti eno so no na coach Richmond Lamtel player ekodi red card no ususu se na red card.
I don't see it to be a card against him. I don't want to talk with against this our official. That is why anytime I talk, I don't want to talk about it.
Did he dive?
I don't see it that way because we saw a contact, and I think if he was not taking a penalty, he should just allow the game to flow.
And then in some Abdul Ghazali did too just say, referee the match it is good. Match na referee di and red card no na red card. But coach, o dey red card. League no baby amota no kotoko. Obetimi age league no.
The attitude of the players, if you continue to keep on promising this way, I don't think I'll be fair to myself because anytime we think that we are going to win an away match, we end up giving the match out. So in fact, we have to pick it one after the other. If you are able to get on top of the league, fine. But we cannot continue playing this way and we expect to be on top of the league. We'll go back and work towards the next match we're coming to play on Sunday.
And then in summer coach Koroko, Adama Koroko, Abdul Ghazali, Eddie too, Joanna, young go the winning side. Olympics. Oliye. Nezanwa Olympics. Yeah. So Gakope, solo Kupa, Mupon game no. Amanfo chi solo Kupa papa na coach. Bismarck Kobe Mensah and so no to make asaye Adefa winner and rather Omunyaye over Asante Koroko.
Seriously, I told you earlier that we couldn't have done anything better than this very way. You know, playing against Kotoko was a headache for me because they also want to win the league. But at the end of the day, we prepared very well for this game. I think they deserve the win because I think in the first half, we were very dominant in every department. We showed resilience, we showed determination, and that has won the game for us.
Yes, and here Bismarck Kobe Mensah, head coach on my Olympics, and Okasa after Enwa game na coach win it by Enwa 2-0 next first half na ma jan ntama yi musafi hu win no wankasa ojeni saying.
As more hope, you know, especially after our disappointment in our last game, we came into this game with the mindset of winning than any other thing. So tactically, we stopped them from playing in the first half. We saw it, and we gave a certain operational work for Christopher Nati. It worked, you know. So I think that we won this game through on tactical grounds.
Hey coach, we anybody at tactical grounds. Now muko Lucina referee. Hey coach Isaba. Now coach who now ka Christopher Nati wants him. And what na se park no na baby out. Ube on am left. Now on am right. Now dia Abrante ne bo pa. But who Christopher Nati ankasa mami bisao. Match no ono former club ne boy. Christopher Nati game no umu ni saying.
Club, but when you see where Olympics is lying on the field, on the log, it's not that encouraging. So we have to give our best and move out from the relegation zone.
Hey, I know Sonny coach, and I say player at the Olympics, Christopher Neti. The teacher said no money break. Some message no more moving from the relegation zone. And coming and I know we no right back, no na left wing, no ball 9, no ball 10. It's a branch and no come here. I'm going to be eba and so the momo. Carolina United, and so to match ARTU, Bonekabako, our Tamale, RTU and Tumante, Shaibu Tanko, Onom, a head coach, Edema Carolina United, and so Kasaya after their game.
I'm from here and I've coached them before. I know what is happening. I mean, so as far as I'm concerned, first goal on settles until they get disorganized and try to redeem because the supporters will be on them, and that alone will put more pressure on them for them not to be able to play.
And then in summer, Shaibu Tanko, Carolina United head coach, Eddie Tuja saw no. Wa coach RT that in Zano no kota male no nsuro oni bebe atokroda of our Eddie Pay Benya win over aye Bobo Kwanidin and so no Eddie RT now coach man misao relegation zone I say Carolina United muda man isa Carolina United relegation mubako
continuous unabated. You look at the relegation battle, how it's unfolding now. You feel now that you've had that first away win, it will ginger you on to get more victories. Definitely, we shall overcome our contenders wherever we meet them, whether home or away.
Hey, coach, you say Abagana, you're being couldn't be anybody at Casa. Now there but you found another referee the match it is good near there. Okay, Professor the guy assume. My uncle RTU. I'm gonna win if you lose against Carolina. Coach Abdul Momen Onosa Kakra Odijayini.
They made some fundamental mistakes, either two shouldn't have happened in the game. But I think that I want to attribute that to fatigue in the travel that we have been making over the period. Fatigue has set in and we need to work on that fatigue so that we can finish the league above waters.
How disappointing is this when you play 90 minutes without no shot on target? How really bad
I think I'm not a happy person. I spoke to them during recess, but the game is like that. When it comes that way, you need to accept it and then work on it going forward.
Coach, when you made it, I'm not happy. There's a coach in around home. I will give me home. But coach, I actually found me. Why? No man, no Argentina. But another. That's a highlight. Kakram Nakoso. I also Suga Kope. Kofa feel, you know. Zedis if I call you. I was Suga Kope.
Osei's crossing. A chance for Olympics, and that's the first goal. Michael Osei puts Great Olympics ahead. The other boys have taken the lead against the Porcupines. And it's Michael Osei who heads Olympics into the lead here in Sogakope. Distant celebrations from Osei. Osei to Nete. Here is Christopher Nete. He still hangs on to possession. Michael Osei on his left foot. Asari, and it's a goal. Olympics have their second. Great Olympics. Emmanuel Akese makes it 2 for Great Olympics.
Let's send one that Okopiemo Suga Kopa Next Olympics here no pa. Amanfo chi solo kuba papa. But Amanfo ka Ghana Premier League no sense. Best Power Premier League no. Abrante Bakon ni come on din Sulemana. Black Star player, Southampton player. Also kakra. I say ma nu na no mutu Amanfo Ghana Premier League. Mun ni akire. Mun kwahye na Ghana Premier League na come on din Sulemana.
Let's cherish our own.
Hello guys, it's your boy Kamaldeen, and I just wanted to come here and tell you guys to support the Power Premier League. Let's support our own. It's us, Yanko!
Kamaldeen! I said, Debbie, come out. Kabiem, what's the name, Mante?
Our own. Let's cherish our own.
Hello guys, it's your boy Kamaldeen, and I just wanted to come here and tell you guys to support the Power Premier League. Let's support our own. It's us, Yanko!
Hey, come on, this will be a messy Yanko supporting Ghana Premier League, you know. Now, and it's us, yes, yeah, it's us, yes. And also in Yanko, Nian supporting now. Oh, yeah, no, and I say, yeah, Kudus. And you know, no, Jenny, you will be a Kudus, come out, Mamma, one come. Ghana have no one chance here, right to dim near, but you're more Premier League in the then when you animal bar, you'll see and support your Kudus, Mohammed.
Our own, let's cherish our own.
Hello, Kuwa Mohamed Kudus Kiga. Now for the Mukabangu support Bet Power Premier League. Cheers.
Nah, hey, Kudus. Nah, far away. Nah, sorry, the man in the Musa. That's mobile Taman Kayeni. You're not far away. Kudus, no. There's an answer, ma'am. Or the Atuja, and so I don't know, Uniate air. No, yeah, you now from Ta. And also, no. And see, Kudus said, Obian supporting it here. Koa. You're welcome, I know, Kudus there. Or the Abadam Ghana Football Association. And so, at the report about saying, Friends of Cat Okreku. And no time, I'm to me at presenting footballs. And other items at the market said only now face on fan supported the Ghana Premier League no Nani Amansono and Konkai and Fama Cats Edwin Simon Okreku Tenero Friends of Cats Okreku and other Koche Cats Niama Pa so no so enye non eye ni Niama no mwa Nani Amansono and Konkai if you have no yebesi chana be wuram na weekend actions ni ya de apa yambra na fie mrafie medin ko Abejafo no mobile no photos nkwa minim ze sofo bia ka bibia kire mo mu twa gu opre kode a minim ba ko de oso be ware ba ko so se afi no hwehwe bi ba ko de wa na adwen se bona ba kura na onye the writer commentator atena say na wa se Liverpool sanso na club ya sante ekoyo ankoyo acha ne Chelsea adwa brekum enso ha adwa e wonam ono so ene wa general Brokum Chelsea tracksuit kama pa efe na emu no we ne odamo obenyi ntino am say I'm the ma pra ko say anso so obefu ono no ntino adwa wa ntino journey live on Facebook nso journey live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 yewo ho sanso na abujafo atena senso no journey live on their various social media handles no so and so no benyan live and so no ahwe and so no ewo ho I'm sure messages ba ku mienu bi aba na yemedi nkomo ewo ha ebre no ko but yebe dey yemedi nkomo Afra Max say good morning AK the boss player Okoman Global Sports no size on so ne dey aba na me network na years me san year but abrepem ma kan and so no etimi e dey amamo mama bejafo akwa ba bejafo bi kama
me adom bibia na we
adwa twibe microphone
no me adom bibia na we AK
bibia fine
me shawache
me shawache pa
great
say bibia di dem
na me adom
bekum Chelsea ekoyie
we are the fourth position in me adom
fourth position yo mate
Kotokoni has mo da see
yo
yeah
I say not the beginning but
the end thank you
Krobia
okay
say bibia fine
obo adia down ma bibia eye kama papa ye hu ye ya ba be pimu e wa hande na che say ye hu ye papa de bia twedi Amponsah aseda ana yemfa emma no se papa mo bonimo ne nyina mu no yemfa aseda emma no enti de ekoyie ene de ankoyie nyina ye gusu ti ase na moja edi efurusane na Nigeria for krampo ewe ni da so man ne be yede na che say yenso no yen future e very very bright pa enti no me hu ye na won e
bibia come but men can check your now you're behind the scene so men can fine
so who yeah
bibia fine
we are very strong
yes
yes and dry
yinka yihuna yansa
oh great
anya sene enusuna but yeah na deep
because the way me no me hunu na masa
ne deep now say me bibi
and you sanka best start we in pan yes na che say ya dia na very serious but it's cool
for God and country
sure
abanu na me baby girl bi no hono sa but China say bibia de dem
no to nkan e obehu so
yes bibia de dem
we tumi abo ewure mu nko ade na che say bibia ye kama
na no me do fi na me take the new release na man West new release no
Kiddy.
Yeah,
yes. The guy is not fine. Yes. And no can say so catch you be so fine the unnecessary boy. I don't power be no 9 fan 4:30 am thereabout na me share ni short video the buy na me share na me say no. Yare ya papa
but
ni nyina mu no eye ni nyina mu no eye ni nyina mu no eye na mintia Pizarro pub na Eduada eye first May
holiday
yes Eduada holiday holiday
ba bibia organize holiday the second holiday oda we fa bibia wa you go near the fani nyina your holiday go there
if you die holiday if you die holiday pa na mintia Atensburger barrister head of sports edema Afima FM Akuffo dia mintia no pa sa papa Kenzi abanga no mintia obibia na nioma ntumi nkonka sa so na Gatuso Bright FM
yes
Gatuso waba town endra mete onka waba town intino wabe de yebe hu ni ayebeye ni ayeye wosoro wona
mwana munim ni amoye wosoro dia no Writer
Zuba
nedi kai
okay
ma me meti fo aso nti se enu ada
okay
na writer birthday enu ana any birthday pa na enu abia me hu writer
Zuba
so de onim me say me ana assassin me wase me zo no na kata na nimu
okay
o video bi abeto me nsem wa ha no echena okay echena o sakro bia na adwa do munim echena o da bia echena na me yeah etino I don't know but you was belated birthday
okay Zuba
nyankopon shira papa sene anyame ahya ase ye no nkoso ana o ma na adom ne mobro hu so no amen emra oso
amen
o shira o
amen
on no mo nkwa ane ahoden ewom sika na yehwehwe chemom ze sika bone de mema ne fa bi no sika papa nkwa sika kanta fit de mema ne fa bi ma mo sika papa na so nyimbe panyipa na bedo abusia
amen
na hwem oyere no ma se nche obeware
amen
birthday boy
amen
entina no ya ba be di nkomo ye be kwa ene bre no ko enti ye se wie pe ye be ko enkora no ho
mame fa kunya we so na omo endra omutumi arehim obi bia se
na very massive. Last year, the now what about this year, the Zuba. Medawa me drum za I can't think for
some money buy.
Momo buy. Yes, Momo buy. And I make I say last year they massive, but this year na no thing. And Mamindo Bibia say the CEO of Beast positive about them South no Sikeni and ne Obibia Mamindo Bibia say. And so also Momo buy kakra. But ne munyedru. Ne munyedru nti. So waka chem say nyame adom ochena kono. Ebe ye iza na. Me fa konya we so na me baby girl say. Yes, our name baby girl, a very fantastic.
Minimal.
Onim, okay. The baby girl, Akropong na on your kesi. The baby girl, Ebayama the baby boy piano, and Ramary, Mami, Akropong na on your kesi.
It's a married year. I the star person. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Well, she was lucky be to post be.
Phone in Zuba. Me page out the camera and phone in
the be out there. Once I'm better that. Crabby young room, young Kwamana. Yeah, young Kwamana. Young Chiefy. Ghana Premier League matches.
Ghana Premier League Nangasa Neki. Na me humo.
I'm Fazigi over to me. Results on Facebook or their mind. Midweek action results. Good Ziggy the better what their mind. Amanfo. Mami seems to be na Amanfo results. And I say Wukwada no. Say the choir. Mediama etna FH Dreams FC 3-2. A choir 3-2. Tanzania Adriana Stars 2. Gold Stars 0. Samatex 2. And so Chairman 0. Ken Faisal 0. Bechem United 0. Brekum Chelsea 2. Kotoku Royals 1. Legon Cities 2. Accra Lions 0. Tamale City 4. Heart Folk 1. Anra RTU 0. Kerala United 1. And our fans in the Great Olympics 2. Asante Kotoko 0. And any results are midweeky and also Etumia Koso.
Well, okay, Medawasi na yichia obibia bemo bibia a very good afternoon na minchia kechi trend fashion designers no guys no ho awomubo ejuma kechi na nkasa offsets sanso ana brakwesi ene be afraid minchia obibia enso ho no modern me badan kakra honorable Kofi Asante Bempo ono so mechi ane guys no ewo ni shop na bibia tumi aye kama. Well, okay. Bet Power Premier League na tik say uhwe baby aye kona ye ewie season na anisa ye ewie season na anisa and nioma e kono uhwe some of the results aye nya from the various centers are very exciting and interesting from the various league centers ye bo league matches no enso hono and bakwa enenu na asefem kakra na sese anke nei ebetumi akone sa ase de na ye nyina ye hwe no bra house of folk pm or Tamale Sports Stadium o hwe Tamale City a team a one of the teams a women so struggle to escape relegation or this current season course no and a former house of folk one assistant manager ana ne no okuta Tamale City a obo ejuma mani o metumi ayeden akon kan dia Tamale City and House of Folk call into that particular game no na okay adia na nyoma mu edin edema wompa game na wo Lucy to Bechem United already and sana wo ka ko pie mu ho no na yehwe se at least anka House of Folk betumi ama performance bia anas wo be respond well to that defeat a wo ko nyan ewo Nanafo Suja Ball Park no against Bechem United and ye nyina ye ni Bechem United performance one more adanedi consistently over the last 2 seasons were the Bet Power Premier League anymore. Last season they were on the verge of clinching the title, but one more Asia the league winners no eventual winners Kotokwana in terms of squad depth ne character Padia, the most successful club in the Ghana Premier League, Kotoko, and no into me, I'm into me winning league, and again, how and our more 2 competitive competition, and our more boy in the FA Cup. Now, when you back on so extra why, and also one to me born more thing, Ekoko PMU, and so the finals of the FA Cup. Internet just say one more than bono last season, I Adiana elsewhere papa. This season, ye remuno near Shedia Kasi Mingel. ebetumi aye with Bechem United abra wo mo elusi wo mo talisman Augustino Akuffo enso e wa mono ni no na wo mo hwede a wo mo ebetumi aye den aye this particular season but we to me put up a formidable side wo mo ema equal performance to that of their one modern my last season no and then wo hwe wo mo modern boy wa league log no so and also ya dey quite impressive still one more the chance to contest for the league title no against Aduana Stars woman and woman at that top and Ocean Media Man so our bad. These are the two top 3 clubs this particular season. Ocean said the Nyoma Kwa will move back to me a clinch title no and game no dia woman modern one way to me a conkinds to has of folk losing our honomono na nya dia problem baby but womuko pimo Tamale City 4 goals to 1 the neke na say a more wiram. And I think say it all boils down to Hassel folk one more problem this particular season has got to do with one more attackers Hassel folk attackers and to me banging in goals and from my team we share one which one so one more a disappointing papa especially when summer transfer no ABA with Hassel folk signings and now one more one more be more or branch friend Zakaria Ebaye Sanso Anakunidu Yadoma na wenya an excellent season with Wafa and so babe PMU eho caliber mankwa we share the last short season your boy last season year season on the modern ball any whenever he's being called upon in modern ball or them Hassel folk and so Roberta Dusoa enya a very good partnership with Muhammad Al Hassan and Muhammad Al Hassan a movie from the club ebabe PMU Kotoko na eneno Roberta Dusoa no munyina eho no ni hwe ni musanke echi wono so no enioma betumi akonkan Samuel Nkumu no mo wo munyina eho Dennis Nkroma Kosa. These are top A-list defenders ubenya womo ewo the Bet Power Premier League ni mu a wo munyina enso ewo at the helm of affairs dem Hassel folk at the heart of womo defense but still Hassel folk consider goals for fun in the midfield womo excellent midfielders womo ebu ejuma the likes of Eso Intangelinta any womo akanon esubontin ya wamankwa befi no mo eye ejuma ni nyina ediama Hassel folk glass na wako Salifu Ibrahim. These are players womo ehuni nyina womo ye winners of the Ghana League womo abobo no edu a certain level womo betumi a chere indeed womo SF atase womo bedon the shirt of ne Hassel folk etumi de abo ejuma ma won but enye no na this particular season ye hu ewo Hassel folk no but I think say Hassel folk problem ni nyina eye echiri wono eni enim wono but in fifi one day o share chances every game be a Hassel folk create and minya akwenya ehwe Hassel folk against Bechem United 90 minutes but in their game against Tamale City no me to me anhwe sa game ni ba minya except me share game no and okay it was a game na nka Hassel folk anka chances Tamale City squander no those chances clear cut chances than even their one way to me putting at the back of the net and Hassel folk anka wombo to me ajibe not less than 10 goals was a particular game no which except of a game no said the highlight etia ubehu say chances 4 goals na nkrofo ni shey ni nyina no womunya glorious much important chances na ehu hia se womo de betu na team dan they even womo etumi a share no and Hassel folk echire wono na ni oma nkoye few chances midfielders no nso e create and so the attackers no so aiki and also yes still and no man to me ankonkan Junior Kaba any Yasin Ochin any Kwejo Obi Junior. These are 3 attackers almost start season and no man to me ankonkan amfama Timo friend of Hassel folk Samuel Biodu ekoye ama ne Slavko Matic ebaye Slavko baye no so enjoy ni moment ewo ene league ni mu ewini games ni bia ebedu bebi no enoma ekochem sese no wa step aside ene no David Oklu assistant manager no ana ne okita team no so ebo ejuma ede ama Hassel folk ono so enya 1 or 2 results be at the early stage but ye koye ngani mu no enoma yeden asanso akochem cry de ama Hassel folk ehu dia womo ye and I think say ni nyina no Hassel folk anymore January transfer ni bio no womo kofa abrante friend no Albert Wandi ede ne babe kan ho se anka Hassel folk ebetumi ayeden enya goals no Victor Edu etumi ababe kan Isaac Mensah Hassel folk wo be barely 6 attackers obi bia ni wa to me score even 3 goals. The highest woman no Obin Junior and Victor Edua, Isaac Mensah, one more 2 goals each. The rest no obi bia into me and share even an offside goal. Honomo house of folk team ni ye papa no ne problem kakra wo mu house of folk. But I think say season no as we speak, I don't think they has to focus in contention for the Bet Power Premier League. And yeah, one move to me, Abemu Ababeji League in the but few games I can one move to me in a respectable position. Say has to focus one move to me, I finish in the top 4, and so but a very very difficult season for House of Folk this time. And draw. Krobias anti Kotoko game ake me there and her right able to me testify any me who say fire kura fra or the me bo be mame because me share fire na me ka fire game ni e ka kobon niame wo mu no essence Kotoko ni Olympics na ka kobo baby ayenga du no o season ni mu na o share the rivalry between Timwa o share the rivalry between House of Folk any Great Olympics. Now share Great Olympics and so ne Kotoko. Ope one of the teams that wamu yehu Ghana Premier League ni mu. Na wamu shia Kotoko eye mere formality for Kotoko. In recent years, not even recent years, Kotoko Great Olympics has always got to do with an exciting results are BBR ebeko in favor of Krobias and Kotoko. But this particular time, yeah.
Upacha say match na yesterday went on. Yeah. Brother and sisterly love.
On cancer.
No, but from what he's saying.
Football you now for
some. I don't know what I say when it comes to Olympics.
Let me land there.
And Kotoko. No, you land says.
Me the free baby never.
I say Ghana. Kotoko shia hasa more than. Has shia Olympics more than Kotoko shia Olympics more than.
Kotoko shia Olympics or say normally almost exciting results but
exciting ade more than exciting and Olympics no Kotoko about there is a moon
exciting results
Olympics are say Kotoko more than Olympics are more than
sir
yes into no results are na pie mu nyina no okay na very very interesting and share this particular fixture ni yekomu a these are two persons are Michelle on fire staunch Kotoko supporter pa me kire ni say and only behind the scene ye ntumi nkan writer sana me ka kire no and brother game no said ye call no eke me na yem nwanwa a game of football 90 minutes no the animode mbo eko nkan no anotumi win game no but a lot of things now echo into this particular game especially when say we should be edu na Accra Great Olympics position our more than enye and Kotoko nso epese wo mo league inti endrada na between Kotoko and Great Olympics no bibia Kotoko wini endra anka league no obetumi age but endra no yes endra no I'll write Kotoko off from winning the league yes endra no I write Kotoko off from winning the league and endra no so no abaye a rescue resource for Accra Great Olympics and tie kono na dia obofie no ono na ne modern bono ye hwe nim say at the end of the day ona no hia 3 points ne pa ye nti ono put in much effort edinya endra resource no etumi adiko ni nti ye bebo Great Olympics abaso
ka wani ma sre bibi o ma mi
ye bebo Great Olympics abaso e wondra emphatic victory a wo munyai over Krobias and Kotoko a team a oye hungry for success obetumi win league no na wa share they are now top league, now Obabeshia a relegation team, not that relegation zone. Now Ocean himself build it from there. Now wait to me a match league leaders, for the ultimate glory. But I think Sandra Great Olympics see from a show one more superiority any what they were about. Say relegation enya de fata Great Olympics in recent years one more kwaba but this time one person one more enjoy yes our league in mu ntino eno na ndra de tumi akọ so Soga Akropem and I think say one movie from Accra Sports Stadium eko pie mu Soga Akropem so no eno so etumi aboa wo kakra a wo etumi agrande points 2 games Soga Akropem no wo nya 4 points out of the possible 6 which are na enye usual Accra Accra Sports Stadium edema womo. So I think say a good performance Andra womo to me done at the end. Guess what? The man Andra will make it all the changes. And so edema Great Olympics, you know, Christopher Nakainete, a movie from Kotokwediko PMU, our Great Olympics. Andra, he was all over the place. And Ubeti Bismarck Kobe Benson, and also Eddie Tuga say it was a tactical approach or the man openia your friend or Christopher Nete or assigning to a specific duty. Say on ye and opening where ye Jumano, no excellently well. And so the Great Olympics and no and a boy Andra Olympics. Etumenya da emphatic 3 points victory. And so I was so kudos to them and Andra results are more to me and me very happy to see Olympics say one more to me as a victory no, especially very happy. Olympics are one of the teams are member say Ghana league no ebe Lucy league no Olympics and King Facer. These are two teams are always be when they are in the league. I me personally manage ye papa and Andra ye be Olympics in so about okay.
All right, and here crop be no so no or Olympics abaso and also munya that victory over Asante Kotoko. Ajwa, I ain't on the Ghana Premier League.
Okay, the fact say Olympics and now Kotoko to me show Olympics are going to 15th no. They are facing BBN Gold Stars so and BBN so you know boy and we scored them 1 goal. So Ucheki BBN they've lost 2 games in a row. So it's gonna be difficult for Olympics pass or Moko Mohoma. It's not easy that way. The Olympics Obia and Peso Olympics Befi Premier League name. But they have to do their things well.
Yeah, okay,
oh, they are something exciting. I'm talking
about your performance.
And I make and performance it starts from the head. You see a number prior affinity. A band of management sense and be into main camp.
Do you ask them?
No, but I mean these are teams that when they're in the league, we all know how exciting they are. All King Fires, and it's true.
That's what I'm saying. As much as we love to see Olympics and King Fires,
they have to fix themselves. And I'm a patron. They have to fix themselves. They should do it. If they are able to survive, they should try and fix because there are so many things. House of folk, ebai. Some mutisi, honum. Or mukoye nyama and see that they can do same. Main case will be uncoyer violence, but if something is not going on, you need to rise up. Of course, you need to rise up and do stuff. Well, as for Brekum Chelsea, it's hard work. It is hard work. It's not by fluke. It is hard work. You know, it got some time where drawing back. Me ba how to miss come. Oh, saying you can say a budget trophy no. And I told you that relax. You better cut top 4. And look at where we are.
Not the beginning, but the end.
Today no, top 4.
Last 4 matches more you need 3. Yes.
3 now you win. It's your Karela.
3 no more you need 3 Kotoko
BBN and Kotoko Royals. Great. Yes.
Home and away.
And people thought say our Mezek every honor it would have a toll on us. But see the calories exactly. So we have the men. Yeah, political. We have the men. We have the men. And then Ebimu Kakasom have the men. We have the men. Evan Brekum Chelsea. We have the lads that are doing well, and I must appreciate the my idea to go on that way. Remember Christopher in the technical men. Abaso. We face Karela next. Karela supposed to be Biodano a shaky kakra. Look, Premier League no. Wow, we are there no. Whether we lose so or anymore, you have to play with everything you have. No compromise playing beer. Me too obiafo. No compromise playing beer. Play your heart out.
Oh baby.
Me ever since yesterday no yet it in sem. You ready nyama on social media.
Bini den.
Usu ready bi.
I mean who ye baby ni dia.
Oh, say combre bi mu say you are don't say maybe say akrobia. But I say yes no patch.
That there.
Say baby ebedu no obi abon you are draw football bi. Debi yenya ne sa eyenyu adro pa anka pep or the ma Ateta that's to say Pep Guardiola Ateta person G League into anka Pep Guardiola no he wouldn't score away Ateta which is Arsenal 3 no or the better teams in worldwide we be Barca ni Real Madrid can be
say Ghana Premier League
enti midi two way for enti me see Eduwa let's say as a goalkeeper, example, which to me I'm maintaining we are or top. Now I do 3-4 games now we did John Hosa. Obia professional. Oh, say we na PA you see example of let's say Ashanti Gold. I mean cause some years but example na make
the fact is there. The fact is out there, yeah.
Because player no done no show no any keeper. Keeper no so wa bechi no obie. So you see when it comes to the latter part now yes sir it goes against you as a player. Even
do who bibi say akaba 6 matches right. Who bibi say
study from Ashanti Gold incidents no studies how we nyina edu latter part. That's what comes about. It's high time we stop that. It doesn't show professionalism. And who as a player, say whatever, say president Kraba, say me patrol, say me team, and what say a penny. A womb, yes, that brings about all these things. Most of the teams,
baby say and so time from ID kind. One from maybe one.
You can smell it. I can smell it in the atmosphere.
Being the Brekum Chelsea PR,
Brekum Chelsea.
Oh, infant smelly fee.
Semi smelly. The whole football fraternity na me smelly.
The
whole football in the whole world. I'm not basing it.
No, we are talking about the Ghana Premier League. And whole culture say it's a example.
Because look,
Ashanti Gold Interallies.
Look, after week 28 games, no. You're reading on social media. Me, I'm basing it on that.
Ready.
I'm married. Who's where ready be? Me from no embeka na worried.
It's not about Obiani already. You are sitting here on Okoman radio as a Brekum Chelsea PR. And you are saying what reading you maybe on social media.
Example. No, Kotokoni Olympics they say Akropong kasa bebre brother and sister. San Akropong.
Brother and sister no mentia here. Kotoko your banner we
be so mentia here because that was what I read.
But you are trying to justify it on the show.
People are trying to say results they appear no. It wasn't justified.
Now I say kululu because
they feel say Kotoko to me she aduana.
Now they don't do Olympics.
No ready. For you know, that is not it. Olympics performance. I know to me share Kotoko. Banko fast at ready. I'm a ready baby crash so it doesn't sound well. Except leader relegation. Into reading social media artism. Now it doesn't help football. Ghana or because social media international it doesn't help us.
But come Chelsea my last but one game. Money be United
yeah.
Bruno Derby.
Last but one game and there be any
my last but one game.
You had to folk.
My last game money had to folk.
Yeah.
But my last but one game money be United.
Yeah.
Be United last game on the Rihanna Stars. In the last 2 matches. On the Bruno teams, no. Look at the position of Bechem United. Bechem
is what on the league load? It's third,
right?
Yes.
National point difference, you know. And then also Chelsea for the league.
Okay, Mami Kasim Bitro.
It's Uncle Biba Castle say, baby, we are. And Java Castle say, Bruno Forno.
Okay, Mami Kasim Bitro. When you look at this league, the league log, baby, every team down, they work for it. There is nothing like Bono Koso say anything. When Bechen came to us, it was 1-1. No, I think when we went there, they came first. Yeah. It was 1-1. Everybody deserved that point. Yeah, I'm born to say baby, yeah, so because yeah, Brekum Chelsea cry. Even we want the trophy.
At this Bono for more pa Bono clubs no.
Now when run, Sabi cry me do.
As I say, be go and get kokona. Sanka kotoko beje die.
Yeah, yes sir.
Ba eki eno ne de unze it's in football. So what I say even all the Premiership we see this legend clubs, from Manchester City, Man United, Arsenal sitting on television, live television saying say
this.
Yes, because of say be a neck club or London and Konya say London club and this we know a fact but not to yes Obia what that right to know be to Miaka but not to edge a team say because of that one favoritism match
no we are now also sure and to Brekum Chelsea. Our next game is Karela. What we know best to do,
okay.
Kotokuria say fe. Even BBN that everybody thought say things wouldn't have happened then. Last minute we scored into Karela, so we can do. Maybe I say I had that fourth. Yeah, you're in one. You bet to me I got that second and a third.
Okay.
Because you say I don't know 50. We try call. And I mean, if you see the way Diana is playing, they deserve to even win the trophy. And he's dear Bonon cost what cost on our Mokano. Eban Brekum Chelsea, yeah, boy a game.
Because I bet me one say, Bechem United, Aduana Stars. In the last 4 meetings, Aduana and Bechem that. Now, Bechem last match, and Aduana last match, only Bechem line 10.
Aduana
last match, only Bechem. Aduana Doma.
Home game.
And only Bechem.
That game, I was.
And the last game.
We say a very dicey, a very crucial, a very titanic.
It would also depend on
the position of
one another. And the points gap.
Yeah.
Probably before that particular. It could be say even at that particular time, you know, a bit Bechem na watch Aduana maybe 4 points. And I say Aduana na watch Bechem 4 points. And I say who could draw, who could lose Sikrano. That 1 point gap will still go in favor of whoever another.
You could talk about that first, and I made about that first. No, Aduana 2 points be. And now 1 point. Aduana here win to win the league. And here win against Bechem.
Mediama, Bechem United, and Aduana.
But I'm quite surprised. Right up.
Mediama, yes.
At the start of the season, no be a more Mediama. Even after now, after now, could be a more Mediama. Aduana Kotoko.
Yes.
Had to folk near there. And a Mediama Temukom.
But women, one was on what's now my crowd from 4.
Football.
One
of the games.
That's all
football.
Well,
Super. Besa me ka 110. Danu kwesiada.
Na dey amfa quotation.
Dabe. Quotation say start we answer na ye.
Okay.
But unipa mama chia no na menda na say DJ OJ.
OJ.
Oh yes, so you're a very fantastic brother. Okay. Super Ndra Sha. Because no na di birthday no. Basi ya no e pien gum say nkrofo no ye yi ba.
No na ye ba na yesoma no.
Super. Super, danu kwesiada. Theater of Dreams BBC.
Yes. Is here.
Dreams FC. Omni Samates. It seems like Obia e yoma dream fiso. And sometimes no, ushe football na DBS ye na. Obu echiro obe blame ket say. Uni pay ejuma no onye niye. Nini ani say yon penifo bi won mo a womu ket yom say womu enhwe Dreams FC team ne so. And Oshe Samates. Womu ni Dreams FC game no boy a. I don't know say hunya se me bo nipa ko e bo na sum dia.
Ye bobi asum.
Why? Super bobi asum 2 times. Awo mo say VIP ono. Super me ni fidi gadochi. And ye bo nipa ko na sum. And I was asking myself,
VIP.
VIP, Dreams FC, Theater of Dreams. And I bisa mo say dan nipa ko na obo na sum no. He was just on supporting team bia. Or a manager and I say OSU and my team Akuffo dia. And on where Baby Shea game. No Baby Shea game. Na say, everyone say, supporter, na say, fan, if you be a Baby Bona, on your she or to your kege.
Otuana, only back.
I don't depend Bono. My sister was there. I'm a sister to you.
Not police for
war.
And then a police in the air.
Oh, my yashe. Then I'll be a Superman yashe.
Okay.
And see, Obu Echa, Abaka say,
Mebao, only Pacono boss, or cotton and son. Not VVIP obi.
No, or VVIP obi, or not the top.
Means or a penny.
On said I nye penny.
But what you have VVIP scan on
Aqua top.
Okay.
And I
supported
Dreams FC.
Okay.
And I Pacona ye born asumno, or a big person. Yes, or a big person Ukoma. Or a club zero.
Or a club. So you what's my club needing?
Member club needing.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Member club needing.
So you say you
no. Super after the game, Dreams from penny for. Try say or a bema. Try say. On some defe de unipa.
But club CEO na ya bona asuma we ya bo game we no.
Yes, on some defe de fe.
Dreams supporters and I say Dreams penny for no.
Ebimu.
Penny for ni se chire na no mu pia supporters so mo ko yesa.
Dabi.
Penny for na gaza na yesa.
Why say o Dreams FC hobby.
But only what?
Hobby, but I also only ho.
Okay.
So what you adena say? And the ye bo game ni wie no e na unipa. I say mpinifo no ete say mseni say na si entomo approach penini ne e bo na asum no. E na wo mni ni kodi nkomo but unipa so say time ye best start game na obebedu stadium first no. Unipa no bo na asum e approach no ene ni di nkomo but no ni say na ebesi. Which means na what nipa ko ni mom ho. Omu ni mom ho dada.
Okay. Twaso.
Enti empenifo na approach nipa ko na ebo na asum no. Am person be bibia posem no mo kata so. E na me bisa mo say, "Dan penifo na ket
Ejo team na mo no.
Ejo team na mo eso mo nya no. And this incident AC was stadiums are we safe?
Unza with Dreams FC. Dew.
Yes.
Theater of Dreams stadium no issues na em. Adu we bia kan sa na yen penifo say ompelmo. And that's all time team. We love Dreams FC so much. All because some bomb home matches are and they do home games are Amanfo feature bench ebe should be across Akuapem. They support the team over corner. Amanfo supported Dreams FC as if they've invested in the club. See, you're trying to even at the stadium, you're complaining at champion for the kind of venues where you should say intimidated or so whatever. Intimidating grounds. But not to the extent of harming an individual.
Yes.
Hey, you signal you do not pack out Borussia Dortmund. You go Galatasaray. These supporters be chanting atonyom ama grounds na you. But to the extent of harming an individual, especially a football official, a club official, no, it's wrong.
Yes.
It's all when the boys have a tena media star no numwi. Numwi goes okay. You see, men you should approach the officials. More officials on the Dreams of yes, then I found. Then I report to the police. Really?
So by the course of the game, no, Samates support tobacco. Now referee officiates, and said that and you oko for linesman walk catch last man the match you are topping. Is it good? How many one macho man? Ekoye yebo first half new year no oso munjaro na onko bu nipa na akoma supporter no one no that go say super enyama sisi wo but it seems like oma kata so
okay super mama announce phone line na to so 0551667755 0551667755 0270191971 0270191991 0205818748 748 Ghana Premier League midweek action circle so Santico Kwanada Ejin Kuko over and I say against Olympics Sansona Hatterfolk against Tamale City in Kuko no Eko so baby abasova issues boba Ghana Premier League in Monsono obetumi afre now the agenda about 0551667755 0551667755 0270191971 0270191971 0205818748 now so do agenda at me area but Nana Kofi free I say good morning boss player keep up the good work greetings to the fantastic crew and also Nadia what me area ba hello good morning Bajo dini baby afrifi
ya family ya phobia mukata so dewo
ya ana pe bibia eboko
with the Akropong my family that side
okay my intio
but we say have to we say legal memory that near budget
okay
that's a budget legal but and I answer to lose match no number franca Olympics it will lose match no come congregation but so much so that's my no
okay
yeah we say and to can see what they say them no James says match no but it's about us I'm hard to come up the waiting the aba na supporters no got am boamo and yes for Germany if I'm start and I'm coming seven with die international.
Okay, yeah, you said that's papa. So you are doing and so to me area about 0551667755 0551667755. Yeah, sabe if you am Okoman in fie, it's a great show. And also area what to me area about 0551667755 0551667755 0270191971 0205818748 fire. No, yeah. Book him the fine. Gazuba for anything.
So, Banti, you ever seen penny for incident is here, no? Obia, so Obia Edin, Obia Peso Obeka was a bat. Do you know? One stadium, Obeka say, BBSia, or my boy president in the say president in team. To BSC or my bonny din, but only person to be beer or trainer
kind of football.
So, but I don't know, I have you, and I mean, problem. Or in a team nama ebi mo say okay monye team no but incident be see sabe sorry to say this obi jira baby ebe di do ni part time say oni be crown ni stadium anaze baby a na club ebo matches one we yesi ene ontumi nka hwe no so obu won ma onim hwe fa not in baby ye Accra Great Olympics Krobia Kumasi Asantroko enya wan because that no was it Tuesday na mene Krobia is it Tuesday yes na yeshia fire kra wo born mo obi na say fire mu game amudi we be Krobia se me yem kra nka be ye because say yi be ye pa de enke be but yambo ma ba so game football dey be to me see and look at their performance and I say endra match e to bia so ga kope no o me hu ne fast there and come ko ente ba gazu ba ko be video ba say yes adin edi egu awie na obeye yi edi egu awie Pascal awie just by am yard much na be nya time because matches one can fight Sabo has folk na omo born kusiada okay the be nya time
okay I know I the writer commentator and the best ni akọ nyame boy china 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Global Sports, Saturday edition, and say better than the moon. But I am a Akropong zone, yes, inter-schools sports competition, a course an NA final day. Until you become a Yakobo and Okoman, Yashe, or Niama, a course or teachers in Bomba Bass, so much organize you, baby, and funding anything, but Oma at my bomb and a course. Mamena Krobia Santias, a job poker, and I'm Samson, the writer, commentator, Ziggy, Donzi, Omunya Bo, Mechidom, executive producer, Akuffo Anton Bafo, Yamboa, a channel ever banner abattoir. So, Edina Kelvin Amponsah Addi. Muchum.
Ah.